The XH250 was developed to suit the requirements of the mining industry, getting deeper and requiring a pump that does higher flows and heads.
The XH range is the pumps with more power, more head, more flow capacity. The biggest of these pumps is the XH300 and our new pump, the XH250.
Bengalla is a coal mine based in New South Wales, northwest of Sydney. So one of the challenges Bengalla had was as the mine gets deeper and the mining process didn't allow us to pump out one end of the strip, it made us have to pump the water a lot higher than what we'd previously had to do. We were running it through a few staging pumps, and that's why we looked at the XH250 as an option, so we can remove one of the staging pumps because of the ability for it to pump a lot more head.
We only get a short period of time we can pump water because of the drag lines behind us, the way it moves. So we've got to get in, get rid of the water as quick as we can so they can recover the coal.
Performance of XH250 is quite incredible. It can give 250 litres per second at 200 meters total dynamic head.
The XH250 pump was developed looking for efficiency and robustness. We have the robustness across all of the XH range. This time we are looking more for efficiency, and we have achieved that with this pump. The XH range has multiple aspects that make it unique. The design of the shaft, we have a stiffness ratio that is very small, which makes it very robust. We use wear plates in the way we keep the hydraulic performance of the pump. The way they perform, they outlast very well for hard applications. They are very easy to adjust on site if it's required. The ability to use mechanical seal or gland pack is very unique for us. The mechanical seal we have in the XH pumps is very robust.
They have an oil lubricated bearing. The front bearing is a roller bearing, which takes all the radial loading from the impeller as you're pumping water, and the rear bearings are double taper roller, which take both axial and radial movement. The oil lubrication provides greater cooling and lubrication than a grease lubricated bearing system. They are protected by Impro labyrinth seals either end, so that maintains the oil in the product and stops any contamination from dust and outside sources.
So the XH250 has given us the flexibility that we can remove one of the staging pumps out of the line, or potentially pump south and not have a staging pump at all.
The XH250 has been designed to meet the needs of the mining industry. The pump actually suited the demand and duty that Bengalla required. However, they did request some bespoke modifications.
Sykes was able to tailor-make walk platforms around the XH250 for Bengalla to assist in the maintenance and pump crews getting on and off the platforms.
Some of the key features of Sykes XH250 are high ground clearance, work platforms for easy maintenance, dual discharge pipework with geared butterfly valve in each arm, and magnetic full bore flow meter, full canopy on the pump and the engine for protection from harsh weather. There are two 12-volt solar panels to trickle charge 24-volt battery for the engine.
Our pumps can be packaged depending on your requirements. We can help you in that process. It can be connected to a diesel engine, to an electric motor, or a hydraulic motor. The XH series of pumps have the ability to use different priming options, from the Venturi priming system to the diaphragm arrangement. The way it's designed is a modular design that you can retrofit or upgrade your priming requirements.
Customers love our pumps because they're simple to use. They're robust, reliable. The materials of construction are second to none.
Since I've started, we've always had Sykes pumps here. They've been reliable and easy to work with.
Doesn't matter which one you're operating with, the control system, the shutdown systems, the priming systems are all familiar over all the range. That's one of the big advantages with the Sykes pumps. The main difference that you have with the bigger pumps, you're moving more water and you're dealing with a lot more pressures.
Customers also love our service and aftermarket backup.
For Sykes, quality is very important. We are very proud to have ISO accreditation 9001.
We have our own test site here in the facility. We test all of our pumps 100% all the way through, so we can run at specific duty points if required to show the customer that the pump is going to do what we say it's going to do and what they require it to do.
The only way we can make a very good product is listening to our customers.
We spend a lot of time, our salespeople, our product people, our engineering people with the customers, looking at what they need. Their requirements drive our product developments going forward.
My experience with the Sykes teams has been excellent. They've been very responsive. They're extremely knowledgeable.
Having been in the industry for over 50 years, we have pumps out there that are over 30 years old and still requiring parts. That is a testament in itself to the longevity and the ability of the pumps to perform in various harsh conditions.